Our question is f of x equal to sin x by sin x plus cos x. Then show f dash of x equal to how much. This question is looks like u by v form. So that's why we are using this formula. Derivation of u by v equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Now I am writing here roughly what is u. U is sin x and v is sin v equal to sin x plus cos x. U equal to sin x. We are putting sin x in u plus and sin x plus cos x is putting in v plus in this formula. Then the derivation of sin x by sin x plus cos x equal to, so we are putting this in this formula. V is here, v is sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. Then u dash means dy by dx, and what is u? U is sin x. Then minus u, what is u? U is sin x. Then v dash means dy by dx. V is sin x plus cos x. V is sin x plus cos x by v square. V, what is v? Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x whole square. Then equal to sin x plus cos x. I write down here same. Then I derivation sorry, derivation of sin x is cos x. Derivation of sin x is cos x minus sin x. Then derivation of sin x plus cos x, and this is two function. In this problem there are two functions, u v and u plus v. We have to derivate this and this. Derivation of sin x is cos x plus cos x. Derivation of cos x is minus sin x by sin x plus cos x whole square. Then equal to, I multiplied with this cos x into sin x into cos x plus cos x into cos x square minus sin x as it is I write down here. Then cos x minus plus, why because plus into minus. Then I write down sin x by sin x plus cos x whole square equal to sin x into cos x plus cos square x. I write down this like same as minus sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x, plus minus into plus, minus into minus plus sin into sin square x. Then sin x plus cos x whole square equal to, I cancel this sin x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x into cos x plus minus sin x into cos x. I cancel these two. Then remaining cos square x plus sin square x. I write down here by sin x plus cos x whole square equal to sin square x plus cos square. I write here and sin square x is here. I write first plus cos square x in the right form by sin x plus cos x whole square equal to 1 by sin x plus cos x whole square. Why I write here 1? Because we have formula from trigonometry formula, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. That's why I write here 1. This is our final answer.